Let us start 10th standard maths coordinate geometry. Example, find the value of k if the points a 2, 3, b 4, k and c 6, -3 are collinear. The 3 points a, b and c are collinear if the area of triangle ABC is 0. Since the given points are collinear, since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. Half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Area of a triangle. Formula: area of a triangle half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0 when the points are collinear. Area of triangle must be 0. Half into, here given points a 2, 3 x1, y1, b 4, k x2, y2, c 6, -3 x3, y3. Substitute here x1 2 y2 k minus y3 minus plus 3 x2 4 y3 minus 3 y1 minus 3 plus x3 6 y1 3 y3 y2 k minus k is equal to 0. Here 2k plus 6 minus 6 into 4 minus 24 plus 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Here plus 18 plus 6 plus 24 minus 24 minus 6k plus 2k minus 4k half is equal to 0, or minus 2k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 0. The value of k is 0. If the points 3, 2, 3, 6 and k, 9 are collinear, then find the value of k. Since given points a 3, 2, b 3, 6 and c k, 9 are collinear, the area of triangle formed by them must be 0. That is half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Area of triangle formula: here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute here x1 3, y2 6, y3 9 plus x2 3, y3 9 minus y1 2 plus x3 k y1 2 minus y2 6. 6 minus 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 9. 9 minus 2 7 into 3 plus 7 into 3 21 plus 2 minus 6 minus 4k is equal to 0, or minus 9 plus 21 plus 12 minus 4k is equal to 0, or minus 4k is equal to minus 12, or k is equal to 12 by 4. So k value is 3. Next example, find the value of k if the points 7, minus 2, b 5, 1 and c 3, k are collinear. Since the given points a 7, minus 2, b 5, 1 and c 3, k are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. That is, half into formula of area of a triangle x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Substitute here. Half into x1 7 y2 1 y3 k x2 5 y3 k y1 minus plus 2 x3 k y1 x3 3 here 3 x3 3 y1 minus 2 y2 minus 1 is equal to 0, or half 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 3 plus minus 9. Here minus 3 into 3 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 7k plus 5k minus 2k. Here 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 17 minus 9 plus 8 is equal to 0. Take half right hand side into 0 0. Minus 2k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to 8 by 2 4. Value of k is 4. Example, find the value of k if the points 8, 1 k, minus 4 and 2, minus 5 are collinear. Since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. That is, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Half into x1 7 x1 here 8 y2 minus 4 y3 plus 5 x2 k y3 minus 5 y1 1 x3 2 y1 plus 1 minus minus plus 4 is equal to 0, or minus 4 plus 5 plus 1 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to minus 18, k is equal to 18 by 6, 3. Value of k is 3. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. Solution. The area of a triangle formed by the vertices A 1, minus 1, B minus 4, 6 and C minus 3, minus 5 is given by half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Half x1 1 x1 1 y2 6 minus y3 plus 5 x2 minus 4 minus 5 y3 minus minus plus 1 x3 minus 3 y1 minus 1 y2 minus 6. Half into 6 plus 5 11 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 minus minus plus 16 plus 7 7 3s are 21 minus minus plus 21 plus 16 plus 11 48 by 2 48 by 2 24 square unit area 24 square units. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points A 5, 2, B 4, 7 and C 7, minus 4. Here we need to find area of a triangle. The area of a triangle formed by the points or vertices A 5, 2, B 4, 7 and C 7, minus 4 is given by half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substitute the value of x1 y1 x2 y2 and y3. X1 here x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. x1 5 y2 7 y3 minus minus plus 4 x2 4 y3 minus 4 y1 minus 2 plus x3 7 y1 2 y2 7. 7 plus 4 11 11 into 5 55 minus 6 into 4 minus 24 minus 5 into 7 minus 35 minus 24 minus 35 minus 59 plus 55 minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Since area of a triangle cannot be negative, area of a triangle cannot be negative, so area of triangle is plus 2 square units. Area of a triangle formed by the given points is plus 2 square units. Next example, find the area of triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1. First problem, the area of the triangle formed by the given points A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 2, minus 4 is given by half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 2 y2 0 minus y3 minus plus 4 x2 minus 1 y3 minus 4 y1 minus 3 plus x3 2 plus 2 y1 3 y2 0, half into 8 7 plus 7 plus 6, 8 plus 7 plus 6, 21 by 2 square units. Next example, the area of triangle formed by the points A minus 5, minus 1, 3 minus 5, B and C 5, 2 is given by half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, half here x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 minus 5 y2 minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 3 2 minus plus 1 y1 x3 5 y1 minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 5 7 minus 7 minus plus 35 plus 9 plus 4 5s are 20, 35 plus 25 55 plus 9 64 by 2 32 square units. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points. The area of triangle formed by the given points is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Here half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, 6 into minus 1.5 into minus 2 y2 minus y3 plus x2 6 4 minus 3 plus x3 minus 3 3 y1 3 y2 minus minus plus 2 half minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 into 6 1.5 into 6 9 plus 4 minus 3 1 plus 6 5 into 3 15 minus 15. Here 9 plus 6 15 plus 15 minus 15 0. Therefore area of the triangle is 0 square units. Will be collinear. When area of triangle is 0 square unit, its vertices will be collinear. The area of triangle whose vertices are P 6, minus 2, Q minus 3, 5 and R minus 1, minus 2. Here we need to find area of triangle. Area of triangle formed by the given points is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 6 y2 5 plus 2 minus 3 y3 minus 2 y1 plus 2 minus minus plus 2. Here x3 minus 1 y1 minus 2 y2 plus 5 half into 7 6 42 0 7 plus 7 49 by 2 square units. Area of triangle formed by the given points is 49 by 2 square units.